Alright, y'all, so we're actually here in Waco today fishing. It's been a while since we uploaded a video. Sorry about that. It's been about probably 2.5 weeks. You know, we got a little bit busy, but we're back out here trying to make another video for y'all. Like I said, we're over here in Waco, Texas right now. We honestly, we found this spot on Google Maps. We're like, you know what? Let's go ahead and give it a try. So this is what it looks like out here. It's me and my dad. Actually, the whole family's out here, but me and my dad are the ones fishing right now. And yeah, so I didn't have the GoPro on me at the time, but my pops, he hooked up into a gas bagoo, probably like, look, if you can see, there you go right there, 17-inch gas bagoo. Probably like, I don't know, 10 minutes into fishing this new spot, so hopefully we'll get some more. We'll see what happens. I just seen the side of it. I said, oh, that's a catfish. I told you, man. I told you to come over here. Yeah, I did. Oh, you know, wait, do I have that same exact color? Oh, no, you don't need, you have it. You still have it, right? My dad was using a white and what, chartreuse curly tail? So white body with chartreuse curly tail on it. Man, look, dude, there's all types of stuff popping up over there, but they're on the opposite side. But those rocks, dude, I'm telling you, we get to those rocks, we'll be okay to go fish over there. Yeah, I got white on right now. I think we can get on the other side of that over there, but it's hard to go. Zip up my bag, I got this. Alright, y'all, so we gotta get from here to over there, and that's what we gotta go work with. So, let's see if we can do this. Okay. Oh, we're making it happen. We gotta go upward. Okay. Alright, we got it. Pops, you see? That's all you gotta do. Alright. Let's see. Let's see if it was worth coming this way. Whew. Alright. Alright, look, first we're gonna try that little pocket right there. Oh wait, we gotta record you trying to cross it. There you go. Lift up with your leg. Lean forward. Oh, here, hold on, pause, wait. Yeah, right here, come down. There you go. You got it. Can you get back? Oh, almost fell. Oh, skipped it. He jumped up and spat the hook. Even if we could find some worms, I think we'll be okay with this. That big size catfish, and I don't think the worms will do good. Oh, no, okay. Ah, come on. Dang it. I know, right on there. I tried to throw it to the side, but it just... Oh, dang, you got another one? Yeah. Alright. Just keep biting them. Yeah. No.
It's something. Oh, it's another Gasper goo.
Oh man, I broke my...
It's another Gasper goo.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Pull him this way. Oh, that's a keeper for sure. Wait. There we go. Dang, dude, another Gasper goo. That's like a for sure keeper. Dude, I don't think I've seen a Gasper freshwater drum that big.
You got it on the camera?
Yeah. Show the camera one more time. Dude, yeah, yeah, Gasper goo. Freshwater drum. You know, they gotta be 15 inches to keep. But you know, most people think that they're, well, everybody considers them trash fish. Freshwater drum. Yeah, but I mean, if you know how to cook them, you know, they're good. Where's mine? I gotta retie. Dang, Pops, that's 2. Hey man, I'm gonna need you to slow down. I gotta at least catch 1 too. Alright, where'd my lure go to? Alright. Nah, that thing just, that was just a big old Gasper goo. Big old freshwater drum. What we got? We got what, 10-pound test on with what's, I don't know, 10-pound to 6-pound test, and we both are using a Falcon HD. What's this called? Waco? I don't know.
The Falcon rod.
The Falcon rod, yeah. Hey, this is my poke, my bad. Let's see. Well, I wasn't getting any hits on the white. So let's try an orange and white. I don't know, I might have to switch to chartreuse because everything that was caught so far have been on the chartreuse color lure. Alright. I want to see if there's any crappie in here. That's what I want. You make sure they're good inside the water? You make sure they're not going anywhere in the water? Don't be like last time and almost lose the fish. And me having to catch the stringer with the hook. Hey, relax. All right. You want the fish or you want the bag? Dang, dude. Oh, crap. Almost fell in. You can't because that, what you call it right there. Just close this stuff. Alright, look, you gotta follow my lead. Here, Dad, I'll carry the fish too. I'll get the fish as well. I don't want you falling in. You're gonna have to sit on your butt.
Not always done. See, go yourself up.
Oh, you should have gone through that too. Nothing. Sheesh. The things we do to fish.